Model, 2014 Plate Vauxhall Vivaro 2900 Cdti Lwb No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 189,356. MOT, the 23rd of January 2026. Engine, 1995 CCM9R, 115 bhp, Euro 5, B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is in decent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, wind-up windows. Euro status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Contact us, 014